MBK Reacts. What? Hey yo, hey yo, welcome back to MBK Reacts.
You better have all the conspiracy.
Episode number 3, the Chainsaw Man. Last episode, it was a pretty good episode. You know, we got introduced to Aki and Power. Power's gonna be our duo for the public safety missions and all that. At the end, she killed that fiend.
Crazy.
Yeah, she jumped down with the Dead Man Wonderland stuff came out.
Yeah. She said, "Don't see it. It's my kill. It's my kill."
Straight out of the wrist.
Man.
Yeah.
What was that?
That was clean though.
Eggplant demon or something like that? A devil or something like that?
I don't know.
What'd you
say?
say?
What? Oh, it was a sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
And also, I was gonna say, she said I got the taste for blood right now, or whatever. Like she needs blood, and we know Denji, he's gonna need blood when he transforms into a devil and all that.
Yeah.
So how are they gonna acquire this blood? Are they gonna is when they kill all these fiends and all that? Are they gonna
drink it?
Yeah, I was gonna say, are they gonna drink the blood from them?
I'm pretty sure eventually they're gonna start carrying tubes around when they kill demons.
God.
Start collecting hella blood.
Cyberpunk.
Also, yeah.
Also, what's the name?
Refreshment.
You said what?
I forgot his name. Dude,
Aki?
over there, kept
the sword?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Aki. Was he part of the team or was he just he's part of the team?
Yeah, he has his own. Yeah, he's part of the team of Makima's group, whatever.
Yeah.
But he has his own group.
Oh, okay.
We don't know the other people yet. All we know is Power.
You know, he put him in Power.
Because I was gonna say
she
she
put
said
him
it was
and
an
Denji together.
experimental team, so I guess she was.
That's
putting
Denji
together,
and
demons,
Power.
human demons.
Yeah, I think he put him with Power because he was like, I could be friends with a fiend, whatever, or a devil, because I don't have that many friends. In there.
Yeah.
What's his name was a devil?
And that's when he's like,
Pochi.
I remember that. Man,
Yeah, he did say, I don't remember that. Next thing you know, Power comes.
All right, walked in.
He said, move. Are you gonna walk that? Alright, so we're about to jump into episode number 3. Man, because I was about to do a whole scene.
No, he literally stopped until he said, hey, you know what? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I seen her chest.
Oh,
so
bruh.
we're about to jump into episode number 3. So you know what to do if you like this type of content. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment to the bell on for our Chainsaw Man.
No, 120.
No. So you get notified when we upload new videos next. Full reactions on Patreon, $1 a month. You get the full reaction to Blue Lock, Chainsaw, Bleach, My Hero, Fruit Basket, Crocodile Basket, and many other shows. Link in the bio. Episode starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow. So what she did was illegal?
I knew it.
Blood devil. She's like, what's her name from Mortal Kombat? Uh-oh. That's a threat.
Damn.
Oh, she must have got Makima must have got her on a leash.
Wolf. Her eyes are wicked.
Maybe she can control people or something.
That's why her eyes are like a certain way too. Maybe.
He said that out loud.
No.
I'm about to say. There was a cat last episode too.
Yogurt water? Oh, yeah, blue water.
Sort of like her pet, the Denji. Kind of like a cat demon.
Do you hear the dude?
やはり人間とはわかるよね。
Cat no.
ああ、でも犬だったらまだわかるかもな。
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやるって言ったらどうする？
How did you There's definitely some conspiracy is for like small Look at her eating it all up. Opening. Gonna kill the shit out of her. Alright, break up.
マジパワーの外出を許可します。17時までに戻ってくる。
ニャーコをさらった悪魔の場所は
Isn't she supposed to like be hiding that?
Yeah. I hear that anyone on a train.
See, if they using a shield, they have to be smart.
Yeah, we're on Genesis reference. Y'all wouldn't get it. No.
死んだ命は無じゃ。心の中にいるだのなんだのは浅ましい慰めじゃ。
そうだな。絶対仲良くなれねえ。こいつ。
Shinjin Asuka?
Who's crazy?
Shinjin Asuka.
ジリオの声という噂も聞く。願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたい。マキバ、君にあげた部隊の犬は揃っている。
期待に応えられそうなのが一匹。面白いのが一匹。
面白い。くれぐれも情は入れてくれる。
レンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよ。
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。
Jujutsu Kaisen.
I like
コー
that.
ヒーは怖いイメージは全くない。デンジ君はチェンソーの悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
He's sick.
Blood Devil, you already know she's strong. What else is strong?
面白いだけ
A Nuke Devil?
使いならせですよ。
Hey, devil.
Gun Devil?
こう
Is it only objects?
Nah, sea cucumber eyes. A zombie devil. That was first I saw.
Tiger devil.
怖いにはふ
Can
さ
it
わ
be
しい。
like emotions?
それ
I
が
don't know.
仲良くなれると。
That'd be crazy.
そこにいるじゃん。
Hey, put the nuts.
あそこにニャーコと悪
She
魔。
hasn't named what the devil is though. That's just a scary thing.
ああ。じゃあさっさと行くか。
His weapon is so weak.
Facts.
貧血なるからチェーンソーになりたくねえな。てめえが姿を見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。
Let's not forget he has one
こん
knife.
な近くまで
You
連れて
gotta redeem.
Oh yeah.
そういう。
All that got rejected.
Hey, she's gonna
Yeah,
turn
she
on
just set him
him.
up.
言い間違いじゃ。
Wow. Yeah. With ease.
Did you hear the sound?
バカだわ。勘は良かったの。というな。足もやっと外に出られたんじゃ。
Like that.
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。
Man,
コウモリ。
The bad devil.
Yo.
look at his teeth like that.
Ugh. Nah, this just turned up out of nowhere. Damn, look how big he is. The zombie devil is huge too.
この腕の傷を見ろ人間。貴様らにつけられた傷。この私を。
And he has double.
まず一で復活してしまったではないか。
It's huge.
僕はその話を信用できたもんじゃない。
who's the human that's damaged him though? That's the thing.
ただ
Man.
何より
ヤーコを返してもらう。
そういう話だったんだ。私にまずい血を持ってきたやつがまだだったな。
ヤーコ。ルヌの名はニャーコじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。
From the sauce. The sauce. The cure.
早く大きくなれ。ヤーコを殺すのが楽しみ。
Okay, why the cow? I gotta do it.
So I'm looking forward to killing you.
Haha.
血の悪魔よ。血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
She's gonna get mad because she said devils don't lie.
落ちたをもうなでれんと言っとったな。ルヌの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
Oh wow. Wait a second.
Wait a minute.
まずい血ば
Is
か
that the body?
That's so
ああいうスタートは前菜に血娘だ。
Oh wow.
Gargle is crazy.
メインは肉付きのいい男。デザートは肉のいい。
Something's wrong with this dude. What?
俺の胸
This is so crazy.
私の血を飲んでる気持ち
They got
悪
some
い。
blood though. Wait, so they didn't know he was a. I thought that's why he kept on saying disgusting, because I thought they.
No, but
They were. Power was calling him a human all the time.
But they can't
said,
smell
oh,
it.
disgusting human.
Man, they can't smell him now.
It's only
certain-
Maki Makano smell.
What's wrong with that?
That.
てめえが穴咲いて
Yeah.
レモン
He's having that.
He just punch him with a cane. Hold on, the fights in this show are going to get crazy.
Oh, fast.
It's all like. Nah, he's gonna have a moment where he's killing humans, man.
Yeah.
He's gonna need blood, and then we're gonna have to fix some humans.
When he got retracted, he can retract it.
He didn't even know that.
怪力その力でなぜ人間を助ける
Is that oil?
That's blood.
So,
Oh, wow. That's good.
Oh,
Ew.
that's kind of clean though.
Oh, shit. I thought it super sounded extreme.
Where's public safety at?
Jesus. This is gonna be planetary devastation.
Oh, look at his fingers. Hold on, let me get it. Oh, that's clean. Oh, she's scared. Pochita,
that's how the
whatever
first
thing-
devil was that he went against.
Yeah, Pochita might have been like a top-ranking devil.
Yeah, or maybe he went into hiding or something. Man, he was hiding in a small boat.
Okay, maybe that wasn't Pochita's like real form.
Oh, he's dead. Last thing we'll ever see.
That's clean.
Benji's so good, bro.
Oh.
Shit.
Ooh, we did a little pose.
Oh, the raining blood.
My hero.
What does that mean?
The hero should know.
Oh, yeah, animation.
That's crazy. He
Oh,
looks
new
like,
ending,
he
new
really
ending.
got a robot here. Look at this. Oh, that's the name of that solo. They really got new endings. These are different.
Bro, this
endings
show
on
is
every
literally
This shit, love this show.
Fast double.
best anime out right now.
Who was that?
Who was
Hey,
that?
See that? He got an iPad.
Yes. I think that was a girl died pack. Hold on. This reminds me of that Death Note ending.
Man.
Or opening or ending. But the colors look like a Doro Hero or whatever.
Oh, I thought you were saying Dora.
No, Doro Hero.
Oh, what was that?
What? So he sees her as an angel?
No, that's like, yeah, like angel. That's like Jesus Christ.
Or that's just how he sees her.
Yeah, that's how
That's what I'm saying. But that's the image of Jesus Christ.
okay.
Jesus, that's a famous Jesus Christ thing.
Oh, hold on.
Finally film friends.
Team 7.
I got a new team seven. Soccer's not useful something. No, I'm saying like I'm taking control.
Bro, I feel like there's like more potential for him though. I feel like he can level up.
Oh yeah, for sure. We're only 3 episodes in. I know Aki probably got
Right.
a demon
He's
though.
gonna have
Because I'm thinking
chainsaw
like-
legs.
I'm thinking he has the armor around. I'm thinking like maybe a lot of like more of his body can like have some.
Oh, you
armor
talking about
on
with his head?
Yeah,
Maybe
I'm
like
thinking
a
like the
full
rest of
body
the armor.
Oh
goes
yeah.
with it. That'd be
Oh
insane.
my.
Wait, you said what?
The body,
saying,
the
like-
arm on his head.
I'm saying like the armor.
Oh,
on his head.
the orange part on his head.
Yeah, I'm thinking like later down in the show when he learns how to use it more, like it can like some like a guts type shit.
Because he just learned. He just learned that the chainsaws could retract.
He's like,
Alright, so what if he's able to just start shooting them off?
alright, nah, I hate this show.
and it
That
retracted.
looks-
Oh, what if he like
His
throws
head.
him like a boomerang, like he just
Okay.
he throws him like that?
That would make sense though.
Like that'd be kind of clean.
He can take his head off and
But then as a boomerang, so he's saying he's gonna come back and
No,
do
not
it.
when he come back. But I'm
like
saying
he
throw it
just
like a
throw
boomerang.
him. Like
Yeah,
he just throw him and he gotta
spin.
retract.
But if he keeps on
That
doing
takes
that,
more
it's probably-
blood.
yeah, I was just about to say it
That's
takes
what
more
I'm saying.
blood.
That's why it's like
That's why.
That's
That's
something
why
you
in
learn,
the
bro.
future they might have the little thing so they can do more moves.
Take blood packs or something.
Or maybe like say like when he's like his blood, like I'm pretty sure half the time, like for sure when he fought, he definitely didn't have full capacity blood. Like he had to
Yeah,
get
he
blood
did
off
not
the bat.
have. I mean, he drank some of the devil, but
Right.
he didn't have full capacity.
I feel like there's like certain blood that if they drink, they unlock like
probably
they probably get more powerful. Like
This is different blood.
and maybe that, and no, that's true too because like the bat demon was talking about, he wanted like
Human.
burn like a virgin kids.
But I think
Pregnant woman.
that might have just been like a play on I think it was sick. Like he's just a sick person.
Or but
No,
I mean,
but you're right though. That it could be like if you reverse.
but I think he was saying like he was like, damn, your blood's
because
nasty.
there's
Like, I
different
wanted a
type of
human.
bloods like
Like, he didn't know that he was a
didn't know
devil.
he was
type,
a devil.
yeah, and then they were talking about people who were smoking cigarettes, all that type of stuff.
Man, because like in Demon Slayer, the blood is like, not everybody has the same blood. That's why like Tanjiro had this. Hello? Like, hello?
You know what, Demon Slayer?
Just make sure you're not
That's
spawned.
Yes.
why when they smell Tanjiro,
I mean,
like,
like-
his blood is different. It don't matter.
Well, wait, there's only like 2
He's
seasons,
got a
right?
different block.
There's only 2 seasons, right?
Good block. No, it was a different show.
No, I'm saying there's only 2 seasons.
Like Dead Man Wonderland.
Tokyo
Yeah, it's 3. It's like 2 seasons in a movie. So it Dead Man Wonderland or Tokyo Ghoul 2 where they stop doing that. But I feel like it's gonna be like Benji's ain't gonna get no power ups. This power is what it is. It could be that because like in Dead Man Wonderland he didn't get no power ups. His power just was what it was.
Yeah, not no powers, but like obviously there's more to his
His
chainsaw.
form, though,
Yeah,
yeah.
because he can retract himself. Obviously there's like more stuff that because he didn't even know he could do that. Like he probably thought like once I activated, this is it. He was like he trying to catch the car. He's like, wait a minute.
And what
They can
triggers
retract.
those? Is it just automatic? Like is it
Probably his mind or something.
Or like his I don't know. Maybe that's what
Maybe Pochita is still.
maybe that's
alive.
what Pochita could turn into
I think
a
they said-
whole chainsaw devil like that. You feel me? Probably transformed and was like, I don't know, man. We've never seen his form.
Makima said Pochita's still alive in his body.
Yeah.
But then Power said, is he really alive? Because he really doesn't really have any conscience.
What if
Like-
he's consciously taking over?
And that's what
In a way.
that's another question I was gonna ask. I was gonna ask if Denji, when Denji's in his human form, or he's passed out or something, can
Pochita to take over.
Oh God, that's what I was thinking too when he got hit in the head.
Yeah.
I was like,
Right.
Cheetah probably gonna save him from getting eaten or something.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
maybe-
which he almost did not.
He almost get eaten.
He almost got eaten. Pochita didn't do nothing.
God, he did get squished. He was about to die.
He said,
Let's talk about how gullible power is. This man.
literally.
"Oh yeah,"
Because
first
she
of
said
all-
devils don't lie, so she believed in the bad devil. Wait. Is this the bad devil?
Yeah.
They said bad devil.
She called him the bad devil.
I know she called him bad, but has she said devil at any point?
Yeah, she said bad devil.
Okay.
I mean, shit.
She said
They
that.
both. He was like, "You're a devil too." So like, why are you trying to say?
Oh, she was calling him a demon.
No, she called him bad devil.
Yeah, and she was calling him a demon before they even met him.
I was gonna say, are there
And a
devil?
devil. Yeah, she
I
was
thought,
a devil too.
is there saying demons? Or are there like demons, devils, or like different type of things going on in this world?
I think so.
Because look,
I mean,
if
if there's
there's
a human-
demons, then that makes sense why there's that angel character too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like,
There's already human. There's humans. Obviously, there's
Fiends.
devils, fiends, and then there's human devils.
but if there's
Which
devils,
Jesus.
there's only one human devil we know about. That's Dingy.
Right, right now, is it right?
But
for
you
sure.
know, are the devils like? Because like, think about it, because it's a bat, right? And it's a bat devil. So is that the only bat devil, or are there other bat demons like lessers of him,
That makes
or
sense.
he's like a bat devil?
Because even the zombie devil had like zombies.
Yeah.
But that was his power.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Like that's a
Right.
good question though, from God.
But we don't wait. Do we know what Makima is?
No, we don't know.
Right.
A human.
No.
She could be a human devil.
Right.
Maybe that's how she's.
And I think another thing, how does it affect your lifespan if you got taken over by a devil? Like how long is Denji gonna live now that he has a devil's lifespan?
Right, because he be getting a lot of blood retraction.
He could live forever damn near. Like he's like a vampire type shit. If he take a nigga's blood whenever he need it, he could probably replenish himself and live forever. If that's the case. Because how does a devil die? Like you kill it, right? So if you don't kill it, then what? Is it just gonna live forever? Because like it's in the form of something that's regular in the world, like an Xbox devil. It's gonna be Xboxes forever.
Actually, but we don't know because Dingy took over his body. So maybe Dingy might, or not Dingy, I'm sorry. Pochita took over Dingy's body, so maybe Pochita lives, but Dingy might, because they can.
Well, Denji was already dead. So you're right, kind of right there. He's only alive because Pochita is heart. He took over his heart. So Pochita's basically like,
It's basically the only person alive at this point.
literally, like, yeah, Denji's like, his conscience is probably alive, but like, it's not his heart anymore. That's not his heart. That's
They merged with him, so
Yeah.
he still has part of his heart.
right. That's what I'm saying. Though. But it's most like he was dead before. Like he wasn't a devil. He was human.
You
He's
got
only
Nah,
alive.
Pochita's dead. If you don't got a conscience, you're dead.
Pochita.
Or you're
Nah.
fucking, what's it called?
No.
I think
That-
Pochita's
you're
gonna be
wrong.
like a Kurama type.
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying too, but I don't know.
Not like the sealed, but like talking. Like if he goes like
Nah.
into himself, he probably talk.
I don't want to see that.
I don't want to see.
I'm
it.
pretty sure there's gonna be a point where he like gets to like.
Nah, I wouldn't mind seeing Pochita.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna not see him again, but like he's gonna like.
Because right before they
Visualize,
merged, they were talking to
visualize.
each other.
Who's
Yeah.
that person at Aki's side with the mask on?
Oh yeah.
Man.
What the heck?
The characters on this show are clean.
Retorting.
I don't like what's her name. Power. I don't like her.
Ooh,
Power.
power.
You don't like her power or her?
Not her design.
You don't like her design? You didn't like when she was naked?
What type of question is that?
Now, her design cool.
It was a simple
I
question.
feel like we still gotta know more. But
The horns is kind of cliche.
It was a simple question.
The horns is a little.
It was a simple-
shit,
it was a
that
simple
wasn't her
question.
true form though.
It was a simple question.
Bruh, what are you doing?
That wasn't her true form.
Nah, the horns are a little cliche just because they're literally right here. Like if they was like,
You like different shit?
yeah.
I like her design.
Oh God,
I don't think it's trash.
y'all hating.
No,
Whoa.
I said all I said was the horns. He said that the whole design. He said the whole design is trash. said the
I did not say that.
I like the teeth.
I
I
said
said it
it
reminds me of Shinra.
Yeah, I like the
I like the eyes.
No,
I like
they're
her.
clean.
I like
They're
her
just like
dialect.
Makia, whatever. I'm forgetting
Her
her.
there's like the same type of
Who the
design.
heck are you talking about?
Makima. Yeah, my bad. Their
Makima
eyes.
and
What's he talking about?
The
The
eyes.
eyes.
I thought you were talking about like a different
I
character.
was talking about
from
Koji guys.
Oh my God.
There's nothing. There's nothing to talk about.
I'm not gonna
You know
lie
what to
though.
talk about? Yoki's a hater. Oki's a hater. Whatever his name
Aki?
is. Aki's a hater.
Oh yeah,
I
I
don't hate it. He's just trying
You said one up top Aki?
But I think he
What?
really, I think he does love Makima just because Makima saved him. So it's like he got that type of survivor's love. You know what I'm saying?
That connection.
Makima probably sent the devil to his house to get him. Sent the devil to his
Could be,
house
shit.
because I don't like the way.
I don't know. There's still more about her though. She's
Yeah,
a
that
little-
was way
like, she's a
more
little
about
odd. Like I can't tell if she does like dingy, or she just like
She doesn't love him.
not love him,
Right off the
not love
bat,
him, not
She treats
love
him like a dog.
Yeah, right off the bat, she
She treats him like
made him know he's not human.
Yeah.
And second off, she knows that devils have names beforehand, so she knows more about devils than she didn't tell Denji anything. Right. Then second off, she knows this is the whole entire mission at hand because they said don't get attached to the devils because this is her mission to raise them to use in the military. So that means
she manipulated.
There's going to be a war going on.
Yeah, she manipulated her.
She
probably manipulated power
too. There's going to be a war.
She for sure manipulating him.
Yeah,
I'll take care of you. I'll feed you. Whatever you need. I got you.
On her.
I just thought about it. What you going to do?
Oh no, I was just saying like she was playing on him like not having anything in
Yeah,
like and he sees her as like everything that he has.
Sees her as the savior. That's why he did the Jesus.
That's what he was explaining what he's like. That girl gotta feed me the peanut butter jam, the sandwich,
peanut butter.
all
And
that.
then you see in the opening, bro, he was on a leash, bro. He was walking on all fours.
Even in the ending, they had him with a collar, and then like people was like it was like shadows behind him, like holding.
I was gonna say, if they're creating power and Denji for war, there's probably other people out there using devils for military military asset.
Well, they did say
so. There's gonna be coming like
Japan was the only devils.
Oh, the only one.
Only enemy that had devils. Like,
But I don't. But that's the thing.
I know America got some thought there. So
One more thing. I don't think Denji's like 100% wrapped around her finger though, because he.
Not yet.
Because I don't think so. Because he keeps asking, is she a good person? Yeah, he keeps asking, is she a good person? And like
maybe trying to justify it.
no, I'm not justifying it. I'm just saying like I think what I think is gonna happen. I think, and he also said he's like even now like when he had everything, he said it feels like I have everything, but it still feels like I'm
Something's missing.
It's his freedom.
And he is asking that
like,
question because like he's the person that was making him pay for all that was treating him the same way, like
Yeah.
a dog, all that. And she came back and said, "You're gonna be a dog to me." He was like,
Yeah.
Yeah, only yes.
What?
He doesn't understand true feelings. So until he finds a person that not true feeling, true love. So until he finds someone that actually truly loves him, he's stuck under.
Yeah.
Right, because no one's ever treated him like
You can say
this.
that too about true feelings because he don't really know how it is to be like that type of relationship because he's always been
Just
you're
basic
under
human.
somebody.
Yeah, just basic human.
He always been like
does
a
know
slave.
true love from Pochita.
So you probably think that's normal to be like a slave to somebody.
No, he said, he said, he literally said the love from him wasn't enough.
What do you mean?
From Pochita. He literally said that.
How?
He was like, being with Pochita wasn't enough.
No, but that doesn't mean that he doesn't feel it.
No, but I'm saying though, he was like, from like a human standpoint. Like, I don't know what it feels like to be loved and cared on. That's why when she was in the car and like telling him all the stuff he's gonna do, he's like, wow, I like.
That's why I say he's wrapped around mocking him.
Yeah.
So, like,
I'm not saying.
Remember she was at the table and he was like, "What's your type of guy?" He's like, "The dingy type." He was like,
That's what, but that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying like he's not wrapped around. Like, yeah, of course he's a wrapper around a finger, but he's not like
fully.
he's subservient. Like she's just going to do everything
Yeah,
without
yeah.
question.
Yeah, he knows that though.
Is there a porn devil?
Alright. It'd probably be one of the strongest devils.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It probably would.
Well, actually, would it be strong because there's a fear?
And that's what I was asking. Are they?
She said the stronger they are due to the fear.
Oh.
Based on their name.
So Chainsaw's feared, bats are bats
Let's
got banged
think
on.
of something that would be a nasty little devil though.
You said gun.
I said gun.
A
That's
jackhammer,
bomb. You said
Bomb, gun, nuke. Well, I'm just thinking like
a laser,
dangerous stuff. A
Laser
laser
devil.
devil.
laser devil,
That a
Missile devil.
lawnmower devil.
Lawnmower devil.
Lawnmower devil. I was gonna say chainsaw devil.
A demon devil.
Knife devil.
Helicopter
Blade
devil.
devil.
Blade devil, yeah,
Blade
helicopter
devil.
blade.
Sword devil.
Sword devil.
Or it could just be like, it could be more like
Lava devil.
It could be more like that. It could be like a war devil.
Like
Ugh,
the concept of war.
bro.
Just had intelligence.
Hey, that's why they gotta put rules on that.
Yeah.
Oh God, if
That'd be
you
nasty.
going off concept,
World War II devil.
like
Wait, so if there's a blood devil,
To the God of War.
blood devil. I'm trying to think.
So if there's a brain devil.
I was thinking blood
I
devil,
was thinking that too.
Pearl Harbor devil.
Shut up. Fire devil.
blood devil.
Oh,
Fire devil.
Blood
water,
devil.
lightning. Like
Like
Earth,
if,
yeah.
like if there's a blood devil, there might be like some type of
But they have to be feared.
disease, like sickness.
Oh,
my
yeah.
God, yeah. Like what would they call
STD
that?
devil.
Alright.
Oh God, germ devil.
Yeah,
Probably
like bacteria devil or something like that.
Bacteria devil. Hey.
Mm.
Yeah, because
That's
there's hella
hard.
phobias and stuff.
So
Electricity.
that's why there
Electric
might
devil.
be
Something like that.
electric devil. That's why there might be angels.
Yeah, I'm thinking Maki.
What if that's an angel devil? Like they fear angels, they fear God.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that's the strongest.
That's
that
what
has
I'm
to be the
saying.
strongest.
That's
devil.
what I'm
You
saying.
fear God.
That's what I'm saying.
The only person you fear is God.
Oh my
That's a bar.
God.
Guilty, that's a bar.
You're an angel, so the only person who fears God. That's what you said.
That's what I'm thinking.
Like
I
angel
don't
never
know.
fear
No,
God.
I'm saying like you know how people
Make
say the
the
only thing I
angel
fear is God Himself. And
Yeah.
like, so there might be like either an angel devil or a God devil.
Yeah.
Like, I play on two ideologies, and that's why in Makima's room there's that devil and the human getting castrated.
That shit's about to get.
I don't know, but like, if there is a God,
Why is
where
all
would
the
the
episodes out?
He's all up.
So why are all the episodes out?
Go ahead and read the manga. They're on part two.
if there is a God devil, like, where's the cutoff for power?
I don't know. That
But if
much.
you don't, but it.
The universe.
Oh, and that's another thing. And that's another thing.
devil.
But that's only.
But you good?
Nah, because I'm thinking because the name would have to be universally like feared, like.
God is feared.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But like, what if
Are
a
you talking
person?
about like Buddha or something?
Yeah, not like Buddha. I'm saying like, what if a person like has like, what is the effect? Because like, what is the effect on the devil of people like if they don't fear it anymore? Like, do they start like? Does the devil like lose power? Because they said that's how powerful the devil is based off the fear of the name.
But that's the thing though. Denji, it didn't seem like Denji scared of zombies, but it was still like a.
And that's what I was asking. I was asking, is it more like a universal or is it
Like that sea
personal?
cucumber devil. That was like a weak devil. It looked like
Nobody's
it
scared of that.
It probably could. It probably could like maybe kill humans. Like if they
Yeah.
was walking down the street.
What didn't you kill a tomato devil?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it killed the tomato devil head.
Yeah.
But so far, they've all been objects, though, right?
Yeah, so far.
If there were
Nah.
concepts,
Well, except for the one that just killed, like
But
the
nah,
bat, the
it killed-
zombie.
He killed that zombie devil, the
Nouns.
bat devil. And then also he killed Pochito.
Pochita was. I don't know why Pochita looked like a dog though.
I think
That's why I said that wasn't his true.
Yeah.
Ah, facts.
Took
Because
over
then-
the dog.
That head form. was like-
Denji also asked when he first met Pochito why he looked like that. Then
Yeah.
he said something like
It's like a
that.
chainsaw.
like a little ass hot dog.
He was about to kill Denji.
Man, he came up to Denji.
He said,
And then next
"I
scene
need
you
blood."
see him on his side with blood coming
He said, I
out.
need blood, and he's like, wait a minute, I'm about to die. He said,
I'm about to make a pact because he made a deal with Pochita, and that's why Pochita drank his blood. I'm about to make a pact with the goddamn
so crazy.
I'm about to make a pact with the strongest devil. And I can take over the
That's
planet.
so crazy, man. Like I don't know.
Maki was a devil.
Atomic devil.
Yeah.
She gotta be something
Makima
evil.
might be
She
an
has
angel.
something up her sleeve.
Maybe she was born from a devil.
Maybe she's an angel.
Jesus.
That's why he
Maybe
got
she's a
eyes
devil
like that.
creator.
He said maybe she's the original creator.
No, that's crazy.
Like
Because
some
do you have to be
shit.
a fiend to have eyes like that?
He said what?
Bro,
Do you
yeah.
have to be a fiend to be eyes?
I don't know, but she has super
Ah,
control over
I'm
some
still
of these
kinda
people,
confused
'cause, like
by
when
the
she
king
says certain stuff, they be like, yes.
Yeah, because she said Power said she's in Makima's
Well,
clutches.
Power's dead.
Nah, she's not.
No, she's not. She got.
She's the
Yeah,
blood.
she's not.
She's
He
literally
didn't
a blood
chew.
devil.
She didn't even chew.
Yeah, he just swallowed
He
her
just
whole.
swallowed her.
Yeah, I know.
She's probably in there. Alright, that's the end of episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. You know what to do if you like that content. Make sure you like, subscribe,
Comment, share.
Turn post notifications on and ring that bell.
and MBK out.